Hey there, DIY woodworkers. Get ready to level up your woodworking game with some super glue hacks that will blow your mind. Stick around to discover how this small but mighty adhesive can transform your woodworking projects. No time to wait for glue to dry. Enter super glue. Its rapid bonding properties make it perfect for quick fixes and small woodworking projects. Just a drop and you're good to go. Struggling with vertical joints that won't hold? Super glue to the rescue. Its thin viscosity allows it to seep into tight joints and create ultra-strong bonds, even in vertical positions. Dealing with unsightly gaps in your woodworking? Apply a small amount of super glue and sprinkle some sawdust over it to create a quick and durable filler. Sand it down and you're left with a seamless finish. Need to apply glue to tiny or delicate parts? Use a fine tip applicator to control the flow of super glue, ensuring precise and clean application. Strengthen those weak joints by adding a few drops of super glue. Its high-strength bond will fortify the joint, providing added stability and durability to your woodworking projects. A word of caution: super glue sets extremely fast, so always work quickly and with care to avoid accidental bonding. Keep it away from skin and use it in a well-ventilated area. From rapid bonding to precision application, super glue is a game changer for woodworking. Try out these hacks and witness the magic for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more woodworking tips and tricks. Happy woodworking!